Alright, this is another tutorial and I'm going to show you how to make a Flappy Bird game. So let's go ahead and create a new project. And we won't need Scratch Cat right now, but get a new sprite and whatever you want to be flying. I'm going to choose cat flying. Now, we'll make a new variable and call it speed y. For the sprite only. Now, when green flag clicked, forever, change speed y by -1. Change y by speed y. If mouse down, then it'll set speed y to 13. And already you see we have a pretty good Flappy Bird game, and you can adjust this number when it sets the speed y. You can adjust it to whatever, whichever works for you the best. I'm gonna do 10. So now we'll make a new sprite and make it like the pipes. I'm just going to make a quick pipe, but you can make yours as good as you want. There we go, that's my pipe for now. Now, center on the screen, and when green flag clicked, create clone of myself. Then, it will forever go to, and then put it at the very edge of the screen to the right. Forever. Go to right here, and then it will glide once, and then instead of going, it'll just go to a random position. So it goes to a random position, and then it sets the X. So that's just an easy way to set the Y to something. And then it will repeat until X position is smaller than -246 or 240. Let's just do that. And then it will and then inside that it'll change X by minus, let's start with 5. And so now, as you can see, whoops. Hey, why does it set X to right there? Whoopsies. We need to make sure when it sets the X, it sets the X to the X right here. So 242. And now, as you can see, it goes, and then it finds a new spot. But if you need to, right here, you should expand your things so that they so that they just have more room and stuff. You know what I mean. They can, I can't talk, so that you won't see the edge at the bottom of the screen. That's what I meant to say. It's a bit awkward, but alright, that's better. And now, the extra clone, you can just do when I start as clone. Then you can take the entire forever loop and put it under there, but drag a wait 1 second at the top. And then you'll have this, but you might need to have it wait a little more. And it will hide, but then once it waits after that, then it'll show. So, as you can see, there we go. And I'm actually probably just going to make mine wait 1.5 seconds. There we go. And so now one last thing. Go to the cat, and in the forever loop, put an if, touching, and I'm actually just going to do it for these things because it has to be for clones. So anyways, grab an if touching, and then grab your player or cat flying, then it will stop all. And now you can replace this with like a tile screen, but just for the video I'm just gonna put this, and go ahead and put that in both of the when green flag clicked and when I start clone scripts. So now it's not working. Oh, right. You have to put that if loop inside of the repeat, because the repeat loop is basically like when it's going, like basically the whole game, so you have to put that in it too. So now it stops when, oh boy, this is hard. I'm gonna make these, I'm gonna make the gap a little smaller because it's hard. And maybe I'm gonna make it so that you can jump a little bit higher. I'll say 11. There we go. It's nice and good now. So one last thing, the music. Go ahead and go into the backdrops because that's usually where music is. And some of you might not have any sounds in your backpack yet, but I have sounds in my backpack. So I'm just going to take out the sound. Now, when green flag clicked, forever, play sound happy until done. Sometimes it's a bit frustrating like that. Nah, it's so hard. Well, you can get good at it. And if you want to make it better, you can double the set speed Y to like 20. You can double it, but then also double how much it goes down. And maybe not double the speed Y. Maybe just keep it how it is. Or make it a little higher. But anyways, that's it for this tutorial. Bye!